My name is Gretchen Robinson, and I'm actually a registered nurse. I'm passionate about helping others and empowering them with education and knowledge to make their life as good, as healthy, and as fulfilling as they can possibly. What brings me to this type of setting is that I would love to see more education, more ability to assess issues, and more knowledge across the industry so that those assessments can be identified and healthy, sustainable solutions can be implemented. I would love to see more discussions regarding implementing sustainable maintenance and preventative maintenance type of attributes after the acute issues have been identified. So I'm hoping that people can start to educate themselves, empower themselves, and implement interventions that are actually tangible and life-sustaining and beneficial. So one example of that is not only addressing the acute issue that brought different indoor cleaners into the environment, but also to assess beyond the acute issue, the invitation into the home setting or environment, and broadening the assessment to envelop more of the whole home approach so that we can start investigating things such as indoor air quality and sustainability through improving that indoor air quality far beyond just that deep clean that was done in the moment. So my hope is to empower everyone with education, bring up indoor air quality as one aspect of where we can make huge improvements, and start utilizing standards to be able to reach the industries to implement them on their level and develop products or implement products that will actually be making a difference.